In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google alongside great Notion support services to organize your schedule and manage your tasks seamlessly. First, we'll start by opening up any web browser on your computer or device. It really doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Choose whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top. This is where you're going to type the word Notion. What you're doing here is setting the stage to access the Notion site, which is an incredibly handy tool for managing your tasks and organization needs. Hit Enter, and you'll see a list of search results pop up. The official Notion website should appear near the top of the list, usually in the first couple of links. Click on this link to move on to the next step. If you don't already have an account, this is the time when you can quickly set one up before moving forward. Now, you should be looking at the Notion homepage. Here, you'll find an option to log in. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials. If you're not logged in already, it's important to have access to your Notion dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your personalized homepage, where all your existing pages and entries appear. On this page, look for the Calendar option. The calendar is critical for time blocking and planning sessions effectively. Go ahead and click on the calendar to access it. In this calendar view, search for the specific date and time frame you need to block for your work or tasks. By clicking on the time slot, you'll open up a menu on the right-hand side of your screen. This menu provides various options that you can utilize. Select the time you need for the specific event or task you're planning. You can specify how long this task is going to take without rushing or overbooking yourself. Once the time has been selected, click to proceed. From here, you'll get to input the details of your task. Type in what your event is about, or what work you'll be doing during this time. Make sure you include any important notes or reminders that will help you maximize your productivity during this period. Once you've filled in the necessary details and reviewed everything for accuracy, you're all set. Now, your Notion calendar holds your schedule, allowing you to return to it whenever you like to modify or check your tasks. Having your calendar organized makes a huge impact on the way you manage your time. With consistent use, Notion can become an indispensable part of your workflow, working in harmony with Google's robust suite of tools to enhance your productivity and keep your life balanced. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.